Hey guys, welcome to Quickies from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. We're going to spend just a minute and speak about the differences between thermal and night vision. So for those of you that are not sure what the differences are, night vision is going to be an optic that allows you to see basically in the dark a little bit better. It magnifies the light or the ambient light that it's coming from stars, the moon, maybe street lights that are a ways away, and or in some instances, it'll even have an infrared illuminator that allows you to see in total darkness. However, what night vision doesn't do, if something were concealed in brush or something of that nature, night vision is not going to help you pick that item out. No different than if you could see it during the day through standard binoculars or a scope. Thermal vision, on the other hand, can help you with that type of stuff. And the reason is thermal vision is looking at your heat signature. So with thermal vision, whether something is more concealed or not concealed, it's reading the heat that's coming off of that item. So thermal vision would allow you to do things such as you can look at a vehicle in a parking lot and see perhaps how long it's been parked there or relative to the other cars based on the heat signature that's coming from it. You can sometimes tell a tanker that's going down the road that might be carrying milk or fuel or whatever they carry. You could kind of tell about how full that tanker is based on where that heat line is or the temperature changes. Thermal vision is also good for looking for things if you're scanning quickly in a field and you need to just find where an item is. For instance, a coyote in the middle of a field will pop out a whole lot quicker with thermal vision. Now, the downside of thermal vision is it does not work through windows. So if you were trying to use it through a window, basically it's going to get the reflection off of what's back. So almost like a mirror is what you're going to see in that heat signature. Versus night vision, you can actually use through a window. So hopefully this helps out. I'm sure I forgot a few things. For those of you that use night vision and thermal vision, maybe post down below, post some pictures down below so people can kind of see the differences. Thanks, take care.